subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Who wouldn't like to stay in a budget stay in a place like Wayanad? Yes, I am right now in front of a service villa. It's called Augustine Villa and it's a beautiful place to stay, and it will not tear your pocket, or it is a budget stay. It is really wonderful. I've been staying here since 2 days and it's a beautiful place among nature. I had taken some shots early in the morning. I would show you guys how it was. So there is Augustine Villas and I'm out of here and I'm just going out for a walk in the morning. You can see how beautiful this place is. This is just in front of Augustine Villa. There's a road going over here and you have some coffee plantations on the left side here. These are the coffee plantations, and right side you have banana plantations. You can see it is completely covered with fog. Far away it's very difficult to see. So this is the kind of place where this is situated. You don't need to get into a resort, or you need a high kind of luxury to view all this nature. It's such a beautiful place. It's such a budget place where you can enjoy all the flavors of Wayanad. You can see, you can hear all the birds chirping and all that kind of stuff. This is a walk in the early morning. You can see that it's completely covered with fog. The whole area is completely covered with fog, and the villa is located in such a place. This is an absolute beauty for such a budget stay in Wayanad. If you can get something like this, it is worth it. This is the site. When you open the windows also, if you don't need to get out, if you open the window also, this is what you will be able to see from the villa. The best part about this place or stay is like it's just 50 meters away from the main road, so it's easily accessible. And look at the kind of view that you're able to get. And this road, it goes to Manandawadi. If you want to go to Manandawadi, it is like around 5 to 6 kilometers only from here. So Manandawadi is located almost in the middle of Wayanad, and if you want to go to all the places in Wayanad, it's easily accessible from Manandawadi. So this is the villa and this is the location of it. It is pretty neat, and also you can park 2 cars here. The best part is you have an open terrace in case you want to go out or you want to have a get together in the open nature. You have an open terrace there, and also you have provisions for campfire here. We have a provision for campfire here. We had campfire yesterday here, and you can see the remains of it. So this is the back side of the villa. Once I climb these stairs, I will be able to reach the open terrace. So I will go up and I'll show you guys the view also from here. So this is an open terrace. It's pretty huge. Nothing great, nothing of luxury of anything like that, but that is a kind of price you will be paying for this stay. And this is the view you will be getting here from the terrace. It's really fantastic. I love this place. We have 2 villas same like this. This is the left one and the right one. I will show you the left one. It's both similar. This is the entrance, and as you enter, you have this big hall here. It is pretty spacious, and you have a sofa, teapot and a chair here in case your family or your friends or you want to have a get together, sit together and have a wonderful time. You have that, and you have a TV here with Airtel connection with all the channels that are available. So that is pretty good in case you want to spend some time or have some entertainment. And this is the first bedroom here. You have a double cot bed here. It is pretty decent bed, and those are the windows. From the window you can see all greenery and nature, and you can hear all the sound of birds and all that. And there you can see is the inverter. Yes, you have inverter, so you have power backup here. And this is the bathroom, and the bathroom is also pretty decent. I just liked it. It is spacious enough to take bath, and you have a commode there and a wash basin there, so you can just stand over here and take a good bath. And also you have a water heater for hot water. Yes, you know Wayanad is a cold place. In case you need hot water, you get hot water also. And as I go into the second bedroom, this is also similar to the first one. We have a double cot bed here with all the wardrobes. The other room I didn't show the wardrobe. If you want to store all your luggage or you want to keep all your clothes, we have a very good spacious wardrobe here, and a mirror for dressing and all that stuff. And from here also you have good view of nature. And then come to the bathroom. It's a similar bathroom and it is pretty spacious, and you get hot water here also. So that is about the two bedrooms. And the power backup is one thing I need to say about. It is very good here. And as I come in here, we have a dining room with the kitchen. Here it is like a homestay. So in case you want to cook or something like that, you can cook yourself also. You have an induction stove and a fridge. And then you have all the utensils that is required for cooking. Also you have tea powder, coffee powder, sugar and all such things in case you want to make tea or coffee. And you can wash the vessels or everything. All soap and everything is provided. And there is something like a storehouse there or an outhouse. So this is the dining hall. So this is all about the villas. So in case you are worried about the security of this place, there is CCTV surveillance outside. So you have 24 hours CCTV surveillance. If you are coming with a group also, it is pretty good. And also if you are with your family, it is very good. You don't need to worry if you are coming with your family, because this place is pretty safe. And as I told you, there is the CCTV fixed. You have in different spots. There is one, there are 3 or 4 more in all the locations. So it is pretty decent and pretty safe. And if you're coming with your family, it is very much safe because I've been staying here and I know the location here, and it is very safe. And in case you're coming with your friends also, you will have a beautiful time here. The best part of this is the pricing. It is really nice. In case you want to take the whole house also, you will get it. And in case you just want one bedroom, you will get the one room, but you will be able to use all the common facilities like the hall, the kitchen and all the areas. So it is a pretty decent stay in the very good budget. In Wayanad, it is difficult to get such a budget stay with such a good facility. If you are a subscriber of Distraction Roads, you will get even more better discounts. So if you would like to come here, stay and enjoy this place, I have given the contact in the description below, so you can contact, come over, stay in Wayanad, stay in this place and have a beautiful holiday. And that's it from Agustin Villa, and this is Tom signing off from this beautiful stay.